Learner task. Always subscribe our channel. Learning task. Apply the step in solving word problems. We write your answers in your notebook. Mr. and Mrs. Flores sold 3,275 roses last Valentine's Day. How much is their total selling each rose cost? Philippine 50 pesos. Anong gagawin? Division. Anong ginawa ni Mr. and Mrs. Flores? Ha? Nakasold siya ng nakabenta siya ng 3,275 roses. Ilan lahat ang kanyang naibenta?
375.
Oo, 3,275 pesos at 3,275 roses. Ibig sabihin, 3,000 pirasong roses. Number 2, there are 5 bundles of popsicle stick. If each bundle contains 5 dozens, how many popsicle stick are there in all? Number 3, their street lights are 25 meters apart. Ibig sabihin ang bawat agwat ng mga street lights are 25 meters apart. If there are 15 street lights, what is the distance from the first street light to the last street light? Letter A. To solve multi-step routine and non-routine problems involving multiplication, addition, or subtraction using appropriate problem solving strategies and tools, we are guided by the following step: understand, plan, solve, check, and look back. Basahin mo na to. Learning task na tayo. Number 3. Dali na. Read, analyze,
Analyze
and answer
and answer
the following
the following
problems. Show your solution in your notebook and choose the letter of the correct answer.